All right. Good afternoon, everybody. Today is going to be a short one, just a review of the one trade I did today. Actually, a short on the euro dollar, but I expected it actually to go lower here to this level, which lines up here with the previous high here and the consolidation around here, which was happening twice on Friday. But yeah, I just went out based on a 3-minute chart. Let me just yeah, here this lows the high when it stopped on Friday, and then it consolidated here and it created a new low this morning. And yeah, so I was like, oh, maybe let's not take the pivot, and that was actually a good idea.
Euro-dollar.
A small loss here because I accidentally bought some here instead of selling. But yeah, that's that. So that's my only trade for today. Because of the small loss, I only had 0.259, which is pretty good stuff for a very short trade like this. Alright, that's it already. Tomorrow I'm gonna stream again. Today was just a lot of drama going on, so I had to skip that.